how to fix the sound not working on YouTube on your Samsung mobile. So if you can't hear any sound from your YouTube videos, I'm going to show you how to solve this issue. Now, the first thing you want to do is obviously make sure the volume slider is turned up on your phone. So I'm just going to press the upwards volume button on the top right hand side and make sure the slider is set all the way to its maximum. Now, if this isn't working, we need to go and open up the settings on your phone. You can then click on Sounds and Vibration, make sure Sound selected at the top of this screen, and then click on Volume. Now make sure the media volume is turned up like you see here, and also make sure Use Volume buttons for media is turned on like this, and then you can come back over to the main settings page. You're then going to scroll down and click on Apps, and you'll need to scroll right down to the bottom of this page until you see YouTube and click on this. Now select Force Stop in the bottom right hand side and click on the OK button. You can then scroll down and click on Storage and click on Clear Cache, and then click on Clear Data and click on Delete. Once you've done all of this, you can try reopening the YouTube app and you should now be able to hear sound and audio from YouTube.